Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today it's all about these pieces of jewelry. So let's see what they're all about. This is a brand. It's an Amazon brand. You can check out the link below to see what else they have. Ta-da! It's a beautiful diamond, or fake diamond, probably cubic zirconia or something. Oh, the chain is quite long, which I like, because sometimes I feel like they're like a little bit too close. And there you have, just a beautiful, delicate cross necklace. They specialize in like cross-shaped stuff. Of course, I have other designs as well, but they have loads of cross-shaped jewelry. So this is one design. This is their second piece. Ooh, so this is a bracelet actually to match, or you know, and the clasp looks like this. You can lock that in and then press. Bracelet that goes nicely with this chain. I love that they are rectangle instead of the usual square, so it makes it like a little bit different. It is a little bit on the larger side, which I personally enjoy because my wrists are like a little bit thick. Once again, I like that this is also long as well because I just don't like everything feeling like it's like too close to me. If you want to check out more of their designs, check out the link below. And if you want to continue watching for more unboxings and unravelings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.